So I will make this a two part. So first,
Two parts.
hey, what's wrong with me?
No, Satria, what's wrong with you?
Hello guys, welcome back to our PC Talk. So, today the theme is English everywhere is skill or obligation. So here we are, our narasumber. So can you introduce yourself?
Hello guys, my name is Satria.
Satria, okay. And you?
Just singing, improv.
Oh yeah, I forget. Go on.
I'm student at Polytechnic Batam State.
Hmm.
Study program manufacturing of electronics.
And you? How about you?
Okay. Hello guys. Why are Europe name or Indonesian name?
Anything you want.
So yes, my name is Bima Pratama. You can call me Bima ya. So I'm majoring in electoral study program, electronic engineering technology.
Can you when you speak look to the camera?
Oh, that's the camera.
Yeah.
That's the-
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay.
Say this. Look.
Okay. Hello guys. So my name is Nathan James. Nathan?
Yeah.
Okay. Nathan James. I'm study program in electronics engineering technology. So yeah, that's all for me.
Okay. So how's your day? Is it good?
It's fucking good.
Oh my god. How was it? How's your day?
Very good.
And Bima,
What?
how's your day?
Yeah, I said before.
Good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay. So, both of you originally from Batam or no?
Japan.
Japan. That's a good country, yeah. And you, Satria?
I don't know.
I don't know. What you really don't know?
Just kidding. Yeah, there's nothing special. I live in Batam.
Yeah. And you, gede di Batam. Ya.
Yeah.
Oke.
Tumbuh besar.
Tumbuh besar di Batam. Let's just chill, bro. This is just a mini short podcast. You cannot
Hey,
do.
what's wrong with me?
No, Satria, what's wrong with you? Okay, let's to the main topic. Okay, so in basic talk, question right now is English everywhere, skill or obligation?
Yeah.
You know obligation?
Yeah.
What is it? In bahasa?
Harusan. Tujuan utama.
Kewajiban?
Tujuan utama.
Of course. Okay. So for the first question, is English a skill that makes you look cool or an obligation that give you a headache?
Headache.
Pusing. Headache. I'm sorry, no mistake. My bad.
Just test you.
Okay, how about you?
So start for me.
Yeah.
So I think it's not good. I think that first is obligation.
Why?
That's why. Because I'm as a student, I need to reading books, data sheet with my study program, and then a research paper. So I think it's all need English in everywhere. But sometimes it get headache because I need to translate English to Indo, English to Indo sometimes. Yeah.
So you're not fluent in English actually.
Yes.
Just a little.
Little, I can.
I can.
But sometimes when I'm start to presentation, it's not tell that if I'm being cool in that presentation in English, but I think a good way to have that. I think this.
And how about you, Satria?
I'm kind of agree with Mr. Bima.
Nathan.
Oh yeah.
Nathan.
I feel like same like it both. It's an obligation because if you didn't have skills in English, which or you cannot speak in English, you have limited opportunities in the future. So Yeah, that's why English is an obligation. But when the process of learning, so, sometimes, yeah, of course, that your will make your headache, and yeah, it's because English is not our native language, right? So,
Yes. Okay.
In your daily activity in class, you use in bahasa or English or in exam maybe.
I use Batak.
Miss.
Oh, what that means?
So what language you use?
Yeah, basically, because I live in Indonesia, of course, we talk in English.
But in exam?
In exam, majority is English.
English. How about you, Bima?
In my class.
Hmm.
So to the communication with my lecturer, it's always using bahasa.
Mm.
But about the material with the course, it depends with kebutuhannya. Jadi kayak if I need to search how to use this application, so I think if you're searching on YouTube, it will be Indian who use it like this. Yeah, that's actually fact. So yeah, I think it must be using English when I start presentation on PBL.
Yeah. What project do you work?
Making a plane.
What?
No. It's a secret.
Okay. The second question is, do you use English more because you want to or because you have to?
So I think something else.
Satria, you first.
You want to or you have to. In this, I think English is like the important skill that everybody should have. Because we didn't live in the past, right now we must keep adapting in situations, and the globalization era is coming fast, and I think that's why we should have the English skills.
Enough? How will you go?
Okay. I have to or I want to. So I will make this a two-part. So first,
Two parts? Single, right?
two-part. Sorry, don't cut that. No. So I think 100% because I have to. Why? We live in Batam, right? We see a lot of multinational companies, so we have to fluent in English, speaking, listening, and writing to get communication with your leader. And if you see the requirement for the company, have a fluent English in every day list. So that's why I have to. And if I want to, if I need to watch a movie using subtitle in English or without subtitle, and then if I hear some music, so I need to understand what they're singing, what the topic of that song. So yeah, that's English when I want to.
You want it some guys? We have pop mie, ayam penyet, gado-gado, ketoprak. What do you want? Pop is good thing. Okay, pop mie and water. How about the drink? We have teh tarik, cappuccino, bude cappuccino, cantika. Sambil menunggu chef kita bikin, kita lanjut pertanyaan. Okay. Do you ever get tired of having to use English everywhere you go?
I don't think so, because I don't know. Every moment when I speak English, I feel like my English is like a little bit improving. So if I use English often, like when meeting people talking with English, it makes me like more confident to talking with English and more have a lot of new vocabulary, and some country is other slang, and when I talk to them, I can knowing some slangs that I don't know before. So yeah, it makes me improving my skills and my English skills.
Jadi bang,
Okay, I will be okay. But at the first, I really tired because it's really hard. Like when I was chill, I didn't get any English in myself.
ya.
But I tried to apply hard to learn this. Ya, otodidak, belajar otodidak. I think it's that really fatigue and yeah, tired. That's maybe that's 2 years ago. I'm really tired with English. Like yeah, I don't know how to start that. So I think for now I enjoy to speak English in everyone.
So if you need to choose Mandarin or English, what you gonna choose?
Should I start with this?
Udah masuk, anak selalu begitu. Masuk. Ini. Oh, kopinya belum, minum dulu. Oh, nggak sih nggak ya masuk.
Berarti kan?
Oke, nggak aman dong.
Apa ya?
Emang agak setengah. Kalau kebanyakan nanti obesitas nggak boleh.
I'm still with English. So yeah.
Well, but Mandarin is really.
Yeah, I will give you an example right now.
Oh,
So yeah, as we know, English is an international language. So yeah, Mandarin is a special tool in Batam actually. Right? We see a lot of company from Chinese. So yeah. And I will give one example. I think it will be know what the difference Mandarin and English this situation. So okay, you watching football, right?
of course.
You know the
Of course.
players of football.
Yeah.
So I think at the first time, if you want to play football, you need to choose first passing.
Oke.
Okay, passing this is English, and shooting this Mandarin.
Nah,
So passing in the football is really important that player to have, right?
of course.
So how about shooting Mandarin? It depends on your position. Right? It's a special position for shooting, right?
Ya.
Okay. So yeah, English and Mandarin in this situation, I think is like that. So yeah, you as a player of football, you need to know how to passing to right. So yeah, without passing, you cannot to be player of football.
Oh, panas banget sumpah. Ketika bikin gimana sih? Panas semua panas dengan belajar.
Yeah, I think if you cannot shooting but you can passing, but I think you can still using in that thing, right? So yeah, I think that's the difference. English and Mandarin. English is more important, but Mandarin is a special one.
Is it?
For me, both is like important thing because in the world right now, the language that like internationally like both it's more open internationally, but English is like more international and can connect to other people because English you can get English access like so easily, but in Mandarin you must have like a little effort to get access to it. So yeah, that's why I still stick it to English. And in because I like watching some videos and majority of them is content creator from America or Europe, and they use English, not Mandarin.
Yeah.
That's what it's doing.
So like when you see, yes, you're a student, right? So you need to see about journal and something, technology. So I think it's all with the English. So
Next question. In your opinion, what makes people afraid to speak English? Because this is the general afraid for the people, right? So if they want to talk in English, always afraid. Afraid. Is it correct, right?
Yeah.
Why? In your opinion, what makes people afraid to speak English?
Because they didn't have a partner to start a conversation with English, I think. When you try to learn English, I think the most important thing is not like vocabulary or verb or what tenses. It's the most important thing, the communication. Some people from other world like didn't care about tenses. They would don't know, say mereka lebih peduli tentang berkomunikasi. Yang penting mereka ngerti dan kita juga ngerti bakal terjalin komunikasi dengan kita. That's the most important thing I think. And that not every people can do that. So yeah, that's what the people like English.
And you man?
Okay, it's a good answer actually. But that's I think that's our problem in Polytechnic.
Yeah.
So I think, in my opinion,
It's the most problem in Indonesia, right? Actually.
I don't know. I'm just searching for button. I'm never going to Java. I'm never going to.
Okay, go on. I'm doing it.
Yeah, I think that's why people afraid to speak English, because I think they scared about judging. Yeah, like everyone will say, "Apa sih so English banget?" Yeah, I think that's why they didn't start. But if they got a good environment in English, like all the English club, I think that the best place for they or whoever is speaking English.
Don't forget to join Polytechnic.
So, both of you, it's really sering nggak jumpa orang bule gitu?
Majority that people from other country that I meet is from China, I think.
Oh iya.
Yeah.
Oh, you play some game.
I love to go to the bookstore. And bookstore, the place of bookstore is in Jodoh, Batam.
Jodoh,
And in Jodoh, you in every place you can see cici-cici.
Cici. Okay. Then
Yeah, that's other country person that I met outside of Polybatam, in Polybatam. Yeah, since I joined the Polybatam English Club, I first time meeting some people from France, Norway, from Singapore.
you talk to him.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
a little bit.
And you how do you?
Where is my phone?
Mana bukunya nih?
Cantika.
Okay, go on.
So I think a lot there. But since I joined PC, I think yes, I meet Bulek and I have an obligation to start out with them.
Did you find your friendship?
No, I already yeah, before I'm doing PC, I still love Bulek, but I cannot know how to start speaking with them.
And you?
Agree.
Agree. How
This can make me right.
That's the reason that I met a stranger.
For me. Oh, ini kopi kita seduh, berkerap bagus Kenapa?
Oh, mikromes?
Airnya habis ini nggak diisi. Mana ada kan situ ya tadi?
Oh
Ya, aku udah bilang tadi.
Masih mau juga gue.
Gak apa sebel aja. It's chill podcast bro. What?
Well, it's already 27 minutes. So
Oh iya, berapa? Udah 27 menit. Oke. Last ya.
Last question.
Oke, lanjut. Go on. You promise not eating right now. Okay, go on. What is it?
I think it ended with me when meet a Bulek.
Oh ya, boleh.
Yeah, that's no reason why I should talk to stranger from people from other country. Why should I confront him?
For me. Okay guys, maybe that's all for our podcast right now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe
What channel?
PC Polybatam English Club. And don't forget to follow Instagram. Okay, maybe that's all. Maybe you want to bye bye.
Oh, bye bye. How to say bye bye, please?
Ciao. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ciao.